Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to the Star and Delta channel. In electrical power generation, there are two main methods. One is a conventional method, and the other is the desired non-conventional method, which I will discuss in the further slides. So, I have chosen the non-conventional method. So the non-conventional method in which the solar energy, wind energy, and the nuclear power energy includes. So in the last introduction about the wind powers, the wind power is a free source of energy and clean environment and inexhaustible energy source. The Denmark is the first country to use this method in 1892 to generate electricity. In 1910, several hundred methods with capacities of rating about 5 to 25 kilowatt were in operation in Denmark. Johnson 1985. By about 1925, the commercial wind electric plant using 2 and 3 bladed propellers appeared on the American market. The most common brands were Wind Charger, and I show you in the laser point the most common brands: Wind Charger 200 watt to 1200 watt, and Jacobs Charger 1.5 to 3 kilowatt. Its rating it was so image. So these were used to charge storage of batteries, which were then used to operate the radios, light, and small appliances. So these battery charging ratings voltages is about 12, 32, and 110 volts. Good selection of 32 volt DC appliances were developed by industry to meet this demand. In the largest wind turbine built before late 1970, about the 1250 kilowatt machine built on Grand Pass knobs near the Rutland, Vermont. So in the 1941, this turbine, called the Smith Putum machine, had a tower that was its height 34 meter, and the rotor is the 53 meter in diameter. So which was a great invention at that time. So after the Second World War II, we entered the era of the cheap oil imported from the Middle East. Then the scope of the wind energy was died, and the companies making small turbines folded. After that, the oil embargo in 1973, interest again diverted to wind energy. That was main turn towards wind source of energy again, and the mindset of the people converted to the wind energy. So in the 1993, two most common the common companies, important companies of US and Denmark, the largest development started of wind energy industries at that time. So after the Second World War, the prices have dropped substantially since 1973 as performance has improved. It is now common place for wind power plants, collection of utility scale turbine to be able to sell electricity for under 4 cents per kilowatt hour. The total I show the laser point. The total worldwide capacity at the start of 1999 was almost 10,000 megawatt wind power installed capacity, according to the trade magazine with Wind Power Monthly in 1999. The centuries the countries with over 50 megawatt of installed capacity at that time. The Canada was generated 83 megawatt the wind source of energy. That China was generated 224 megawatt, Denmark 1450, the India was generated 1968, UK was generated 334. The highest generation of power, US 1952, Germany 2874. So these are the power generation of wind source of energy in megawatt capacity in these desired countries I have shown in this table.